Are you looking for a tonneau cover? Well, you're in luck. I've got the one just for you. Super excited. Today I'll be installing the OPENROAD 4-wheel drive retractable tonneau cover for the Jeep Gladiator. Let's get it opened up and see what we've got. I'm gonna start pulling stuff out and see what all we've got here. User manual, foam strip, all the bolts you'll be needing, water tubing clamps, and your water tubes. These are the clamps if you have a bed rail system. I do not, so I will be using some different clamps that you'll see towards the end. So at first we did try to extend the cover all the way out to install these, but we learned that it was actually much harder this way. We found that pulling the cover out a little bit and then using some of the foam that came in the packaging as a wedge, that it was easier to get these sides to stay on there and then line up 3 holes on each of the sides that you will run the bolts. I highly recommend having someone help you with putting this together. We also found that getting it off the ground and onto the box gave it a little bit extra height and easier to line up the bolt holes. You will use 3 of the 6 black bolts for this side and then 3 of the other black bolts for the other side. Get them snug down and then you're ready to move on to the other side. And then repeat the process here as well. Now it's time to put the cover on the top, and you'll see the 4 holes that need to line up here, and you will use 4 of the chrome bolts. I always like to get things finger tight, and then I will follow it up and snug them down. I would be mindful not to over tighten these. Snug enough is good. On the lower part of your bed, you will need to find the grommet to drill a hole through to run the water lines through. However, because I have the plastic liner, I needed to find the grommet from the outside of the bed and then measure it to drill my hole from the inside. I used a smaller bit as a pilot hole, and then I jumped to a stepper bit to get the main hole done. Now you're able to start your water tubing facing down so it actually drains down towards the ground. You will repeat this process for the other side of the front, and then there are 2 on the rear as well. Now all the drilling is done for the front. Grab your foam strip and peel off the backing, lay it across the front of the bed, and then trim off the excess. This is the most exciting part of the install, where you actually get to put it on the truck and see what it's going to end up looking like. Definitely have a friend help you because it's not super light and it's kind of awkward, so just get it up there, get it all lined up, and move the weather stripping and everything out of the way, and then you're on to the next step. Under the sides of the tonneau cover, you will find a gap to insert the mounting bracket nuts. And then take the studs, thread those in hand tight, and then slide them into position. Now it's time to connect the water tubes to the bottom of the drain underneath the retractable cover. Here's a look at the clamps I was supplied for not having the rail system in the bed. and hopefully I have it in there right, but it seems to work, so this is how I did it. Get your washer and your nut started. This is where you want to make your adjustments and make sure that your clamp is actually getting around the actual metal of the bed as well. And then tighten it down. Then you will repeat this process for the remaining 3 clamps. On the inside of the back of the cover, you will find 2 holes, one on each side, and then that's where these little bump stops go. Before I realized where those went, I ended up trying to do the foam strip across the back, thinking I was smart. That's what you can kind of see there, but that's where the bump stops go. Here's the first look at the cover, and I can tell you it looks so good. To unlock your cover, just use your key and then push down the button and roll it forward. When you're closing your cover, kind of pull that strap to the left. You'll hear that click, and then you know that it's going to close properly. Now it's time to put it to work. Locking your cover is super easy and works really well. It did come with another locker that you bolt down to your tailgate, but I ended up not using it. Doesn't that look awesome? Just going to show you one more time how it works. It can even support a lot of weight and is completely waterproof. You are able to stack wood or any other types of loads. All in all, I am super impressed with this retractable tonneau cover. Having the ability to store items in the bed and know that they are locked in and waterproof is huge. And on the flip side, being able to open it easily to gain access to the bed space is absolutely fantastic. You're even able to add accessories to this cover too. If you're in the market for a cover, I strongly suggest you look into this one. I will drop a link to the item in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.